Welcome back to Richo Hobby and Art. This is my dad's pocket knife, recently acquired by me just a couple weeks ago. It was up to see him up in Iowa, and we had moved him from one place to another, and so I acquired a bunch of his tools, including the pocket knife. He said it was just a cheap knife that he had when he was a boy, so that would have been the mid to late 1940s. A quick look at this, there's no distinguishing marks on it. You open up the blade, it's a two-bladed knife. Open up the blade, all it has is a patent number. Patent number 2297855. So after a pretty quick internet search, I discovered that this is a patent number that belongs to the bolster knives of the Utica Knife Company. And you look that up and you see other knives on eBay and other places that look pretty similar to this. This one would have had probably some silver caps on the ends of like this, but on all four sides, and they came off long ago. So this probably is one of those Utica or Utica, I don't know how you pronounce it, knife company knives. He used it for different things. He was in the Boy Scouts and may have used it for that, or maybe just used it around the house. I remember using it as a kid as well. So this would have been the first pocket knife that I was even ever aware of or around or had opened. So you can look at it as my first pocket knife in addition to being my dad's pocket knife. So here it is with both blades out. It's a very unexciting knife at this point because of its condition, because of its history. I won't use it probably at all. It's not very sharp, and have you seen my channel, I have a bunch of other knives. I can probably use one of them instead. It's got a lot of damage. There's a crack to the handle down here that extends all the way up, and I discovered today it's cracked back here as well. Pretty good, yeah, right there. There's a cracked here, and that extends all the way up there. And there might be there was one other spot that was really bad. I think, oh, it's right here. That's another bad crack. So it's got a lot of, it's a plastic handle with these metal pieces, but the others fell off at some point. So it's my dad's knife, and I will respect it as such, keep it clean as such, but not use it for actual use. And just, it's part of the collection. Thanks for watching.